Two little Dicky birds. Let's learn some new words. Bird. It is a living being that has wings and can fly. Wall. It is a structure made of bricks. Fly away. That means to fly a distance using wings. Come back. That means to return. Now let's sing a rhyme. Two little Dicky birds. Two little Dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little Dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.